What if I told you that the most stressful part of studying in Germany is not getting admission, but actually booking your visa appointment? And here's the truth most students don't realize. Thousands of applications get delayed every year, not because students are unqualified, but because they misunderstand one single step: the visa appointment process. Let me tell you about Jason. Jason is a 24-year-old student from Florida. He got accepted into a German university for engineering. He was excited. His dream was finally real. But then he hit a wall. The visa appointment. He thought it would be simple. Just fill a form, book a slot, and show up. But instead, he found himself stuck in a confusing system of websites, waiting lists, document checks, and limited slots. Weeks passed. Then, months. And his intake deadline started getting closer. Jason started panicking. Because without the appointment, nothing else mattered. No visa. No travel. No studies. Then, something changed. He learned the actual system. And everything became clearer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the Germany student visa appointment process works step by step in 2026. So you can avoid Jason's mistake. And move forward with confidence. Let's start from the beginning. First, understand this. The visa appointment is not the visa itself. It is simply the scheduled meeting where you submit your documents, provide biometrics, and attend an interview if required. But without this appointment, your application cannot move forward. Now here's where most students get confused. Germany does not have a single unified global system for appointments. Instead, appointments are managed by embassies and consulates in your home country. Sometimes even outsourced to official visa centers. Jason didn't know this at first. And that confusion cost him time. So step 1 is understanding where to book. You must identify the German embassy, or consulate responsible for your region. This depends on your country of residence, not your nationality. Once you know your responsible mission, you move to step 2. Checking the appointment system. Now here's the surprising truth. In many countries, Germany uses external service providers to manage bookings. These platforms control availability, scheduling, and notifications. And here's the problem. Slots are limited, and demand is extremely high, especially during student intake seasons like September and March. Jason discovered that new slots often get booked within minutes of release. So, timing matters. Now let's talk about step 3. Preparing your documents before booking. This is where most students make a critical mistake. They book the appointment first, then start preparing documents. That is backwards. Because appointment dates may come quickly, but document preparation takes time. So before booking, you should already have your university admission letter, valid passport, financial proof or blocked account confirmation, completed visa application form, health insurance proof, academic transcripts, and passport-size photos. Jason had to rush his financial documents later, which added stress. Now let's move to step 4. Creating your account on the visa portal. Depending on your location, you may need to register on an official scheduling platform. This is where you enter your personal details and select appointment types. And here's the key insight. Always select student visa category correctly. Many delays happen because students choose the wrong visa category. Now let's talk about step 5. Booking the appointment. This is the most competitive part. You log in. You check available dates. And you select the earliest possible slot. But here's the problem. Slots disappear quickly. So students often need to refresh regularly or check multiple times per day. Jason spent several nights monitoring the system before he secured his appointment. Now let's pause for a moment. Because this is where most students feel overwhelmed. The system feels random. But it is not random. It is demand-based and timing-based. Now, let's talk about step 6. Confirmation and preparation. Once you secure your appointment, you will receive a confirmation email. This email is extremely important. It contains your appointment time, location, and instructions. Jason printed multiple copies just in case. Now here's something most students overlook. Arriving unprepared is one of the biggest reasons for delays or rejections. So preparation is everything. Now let's talk about what happens on appointment day. You arrive at the embassy or visa center. You go through security checks. You submit your documents. You provide biometrics such as fingerprints. And you may attend a short interview. Now here's the emotional reality. This is the moment everything becomes real. Jason described it as the day his future started moving. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Missing documents. Incorrect financial proof. Late arrival. And incomplete forms. Even small errors can cause delays. Now let's talk about blocked account requirement. This is one of the most important financial requirements for Germany student visas. You must show proof that you can support yourself financially while studying. This is usually done through a blocked account with a set annual amount. Jason initially underestimated this step, but once completed, it became a strong part of his application. Now, let's talk about interview questions. If an interview is required, it is usually simple. Why Germany? Why this university? What are your study plans? And what are your career goals? Jason practiced his answers multiple times. Not to memorize them, but to stay confident. Now, let's talk about processing time after the appointment. After submission, your application goes through review. This can take several weeks, depending on workload. During this time, the embassy may request additional documents. Now here's the key insight. Patience is part of the process, not a delay. Now let's talk about approval. Once approved, you receive your visa sticker in your passport. This allows you to enter Germany. But your journey does not end there. You must still register in Germany and convert your visa into a residence permit. Jason completed this after arriving in Berlin. Now let's bring everything together. The Germany student visa appointment process is not random. It is structured. But it requires preparation, timing, and patience. Step 1. Identify your embassy. Step 2. Prepare documents early. Step 3. Register on the correct portal. Step 4. Monitor and book your slot quickly. Step 5. Attend your appointment fully prepared. And Step 6. Wait for processing. Jason succeeded not because he was lucky, but because he learned the system. And here's the truth. Most students struggle because they treat the appointment as a formality. But it is actually the foundation of your entire visa process. So now the question is, are you going to wait for confusion? Or are you going to prepare like someone who already understands the system? If this guide helped you understand the Germany student visa appointment process, make sure you subscribe for more step-by-step study abroad breakdowns. Because your journey to Germany does not start when you land. It starts the moment you book the right appointment. And that moment could be today.